Hello there. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create Roblox GFX with the Microsoft Bing Image Creator, which is powered by DALL-E 3. In my last video that I did of making Roblox GFX, I used DALL-E Mini and the results weren't that too great, so I decided to make an improved tutorial for the most latest DALL-E model, DALL-E 3. And I'm going to be showing you how to create some quite cool Roblox GFX easily. This is great to do if you don't have the skills to make GFX, or you just don't want to spend time, and you can still get some pretty good results. So I'm just going to paste in my prompt, which is Roblox GFX. So I did these with both capitals. It might not affect it, but this is how I did it. Cinematic, and then FPS character. You can change this to whatever you want. So for this example I'm going to say police maybe, and then you're just going to put character render and thumbnail, and now all you need to do is click create, and you'll get some really satisfying Roblox GFX. And you can always try again if you don't like the results. For example, this one is quite good. There are a few distortions and messed up stuff, but it's much better than using DALL-E Mini. If you want to save these, say for example, I want to use this one for my game thumbnail, I just need to click save right here, or I can click download, just to download it onto your PC for photo editing or uploading to Roblox as a thumbnail. As far as I know, Roblox doesn't have any limitations over AI generated GFX. So, also another thing is that you might need to use Microsoft Edge, which is the browser that I'm using right now, to use DALL-E 3, and you'll need to log in with your Microsoft account. To get to the image generator, you first need to go to bing.com, and then you need to go to images, and then you need to click the image creator button. But it's really simple to get into, so you shouldn't have trouble. I'll leave a link in the description for it, just in case. So thanks for watching. I hope you get some cool GFX out of this, and I'll see you in another video.